Today we are talking about what a prime number is. A prime number is anything that is divided by 1 in itself. Today we are going to look at the number 521 and figure out if it is prime or not. To figure out if 521 is a prime number or not, we are going to divide each number by 521. First of all, you do not divide 521 by 1 because number 1 goes into everything. Okay, so the first number we are going to divide 521 by is 2. So you take your calculator and do 521 divided by 2. And that is 260.5. If it divides evenly, that means it is a factor. However, since this does not divide evenly, it is not a factor. So let's try the next number, number 3. Okay, you're going to take your calculator and divide 521 divided by 3, and that is 173.6 repeating. That isn't a factor, so let's try the next number. We don't try 4 because it is a composite number and it's built from the number 2. So you only divide by prime numbers. So the next number is 5. So you divide 521 divided by 5, and that equals 104.2. That does not divide evenly, and that's not a factor. So let's try the next number, which is 7. Equals 74.42, and it goes on. That does not divide evenly, so let's try the next. The next one is 11. 521 divided by 11 equals 47.36 repeating. That isn't a factor, so let's try the next number, which is 13. So 521 divided by 13 equals 40.07 ... That isn't a factor, so let's try the next number, which is 17. 521 divided by 17 equals 30.64 ... Notice as these numbers are getting bigger, these numbers are getting smaller. Okay, the next number we are going to try is 19. So 521 divided by 19 equals 27.42. Okay, so that isn't a factor. So let's try the next number, which is 23. 521 divided by 23 equals 22.65 ... Notice that this number over here is bigger than this number. When this number is larger than this number, you stop. Because if you kept dividing, the number would become in between here, and you've already figured out that that isn't a factor. So this number is prime because it did not divide out evenly into a whole number.